guys, welcome to Sampa's channel.
If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button.
Yo, what's up YouTube? How you guys doing? Hope you guys are good. Hope you guys are living right. Welcome back to the channel. If you're on here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, good morning, good evening, good night from wherever you're communicating from. If you're new on my YouTube channel, consider hitting that subscribe button, because in today's video I'm going to be talking about something I really educate people about on my YouTube channel, which is cryptocurrencies. Okay, so basically we need to get back to the charts and check how things are going. First and foremost, if you guys are new or if you guys have not seen my previous videos, I highly aid you to go back and just take a look, or I might tag a few videos so that you guys can understand what's actually happening. So first and foremost, Bitcoin is at $46,500. That's a lot. That's a lot compared to, it had actually dropped and it was really down there. Last year it dropped probably up to around $16,000, and I made a few entries then. Those are my long-term entries. And then we saw the bull run starting to happen. I probably started in November. Starting November, the bull run began, and I kept preaching about this shit through and through. Guys, get yourself some crypto, get yourself some Bitcoin, and just hold. Basically, just hold, because not a lot of people, understand the financial market properly. Because you're going to need a lot of knowledge, you're going to need a lot of dedication, a lot of time in order for you to actually trade and be profitable. And disclaimer, one thing you guys should never do is give somebody else your money to trade for you. Don't do that. It's 100% free because it's YouTube basically. Just watch my videos. That's how you support my channel. Yeah, that's basically how you support my channel. Subscribe, share, and I mean, it's a win-win. You guys watch my videos, I give you value for your time. So with that being said, make sure you watch this video until the end. Okay, so let's take a look at what's happening in the markets. All right, so right now, as I said, Bitcoin is at $46,000, and it hasn't hit this much in a while. After the ETF approval, I made a video after the ETF approval, and I said before Bitcoin starts to skyrocket up, the way things happened with the gold ETF back in 2004, for example. I did my research. I always have to do background research, So with that being said, that's the exact same thing that actually happened, at least speculatively. That's what is going to happen. According to me, according to my research, that's what's going to happen. This is not financial advice, but you guys should consider doing your own research. But I've been right about this so many times, and I'm pretty confident about this one as well. I mean, yeah. So with that being said, Bitcoin was around, I think 38. It had plummeted from, I think, $48,000 to about $38,000, about $10,000. So it fell for that, it depreciated that much, and then currently it's been gaining momentum. Okay, currently it's been gaining momentum. Let me show you guys how it's looking like. All right, perfect. So what I'm basically saying is Bitcoin dropped all the way down here. It dropped all the way down here. Let me gauge something. Bitcoin was right here, and now it's up here. So when around this moment right here, let me just, I don't know what I'm gonna use, but dang, I'm out of twos. All right, let's say around this area right here, I'm sure you guys are able to see the cursor. Around this area right here, it started consolidating due to the fact that that is when the Bitcoin ETF just got approved. And everybody was hoping now that the Bitcoin ETF has been approved, it's just going to be milk and roses along the way. But the financial market is a freaking roller coaster. That's one thing you need to understand. You will never find the markets just going up and up, because this is a competition between buyers and sellers. So others are buying, others are selling, and it's just a competition with the bigger players, because people are trading millions of dollars, others hundreds of millions, others even billions. Like the hedge funds and so on and so forth. So with that being said, it is a competition, and you never find an only declining market or a rising market. So I'm going to show you guys a few things here. My target is $48,000. $48,000. If Bitcoin crosses that line, $48,000, if it crosses that price target, $48,000, I'm in for the holding. Once Bitcoin crosses $48,000, I'm in for the holding, and so should you, honestly. Buy something. Just like I said in my previous videos, even $100, $200, and just hold. If you don't know how to trade, don't trade. Just hold. Just hold the money, and you can put in your Binance account, you can put in your Bybit, Bitflex, whatever wallet that you trust. You're really going to get some huge value for your money, some really, really huge value for your money. So as I'm speculating right now, $48,000. Of course, I have a few trades in that I entered at $48,000. I think I placed probably 2 entries, but I've got more entries because there were some trades that I placed at $47,000. So I'm hoping I hit the price target, because at the time I actually thought the market would break out, and it would just be roses and milk all the way. But I was wrong, because when we hit 48,000, the market started retracing. It basically found its resistance. So it hit the market, and then it started dropping, or rather resisting, and then it fell down to $42,000, where it started consolidating a little bit. And at that particular moment, I hit, I think, 4 or 5 entries, but I closed quite a few after making some profit, because my target for each entry was only $50. Only $50, got to $50, closed, got to $50, closed. And yeah, I probably made like $120 in that day or something. But the goal is to basically start changing lot sizes as the account is growing. On this one in particular, I have about a couple few accounts. With that being said, $50 on every entry, at least maybe even $200 a day if possible. That's some good profit. But we're going to level up as the money grows. So from $200 a day, we can go to $500 a day. Hopefully one day we can even go to $10,000 a day. That's my dream personally. $10,000 a day is the kind of money I want to be making with just trading. Seated here in my room and just trading. That's what I want to do. So I've been trading 8 years now. In case I think I've only been profitable, because I was like binge watching and learning, if you guys know what I mean. So it was me learning, me advancing my skill, me failing, and so on and so forth. So every single day you just basically get to learn. And now I feel I've reached a point where I'm able to look at the chart and understand what's happening. Because with Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, I believe in crypto. I believe in cryptocurrency. I feel this one day in the future will be a currency that everybody on the planet is going to be using. I have quite a number of videos on Bitcoin basics, why I think this thing has so much potential, and why I think this thing is something of the future, something like that. I really do believe in crypto. I strongly believe one day, Bitcoin right now is at $46,000, but I believe one day this very Bitcoin might even hit $100,000, and that will be crazy. Most of us, I'm sure you guys are now making money. In my Telegram groups, the time I had places trades, I think I posted something about that, and I'm sure you guys are already in profits, because unless you cut your profits short, that's something you'd be willing to lose. So I basically told people, look, even $100, if you can afford to lose $100, well and good. You put that there and place a couple few entries. Now, guys, these are people that already understand trading. These are not new people. And I don't like to do this with new people because they don't know what's happening. People think it's a game or a gamble. It's not. It's neither of that. You need to understand what's happening in the market. Pay attention to the news. Pay attention to any developments that are happening in the crypto space. don't really trade events. I don't really encourage to trade events because you never know how it might go. But I strongly advise you to just understand the whole spectrum of it, so that even as you're walking in the crypto market, you're walking in with a full clip mind and mentality that in this, there's a lot to win in the long term. That's one thing you need to understand about this. There's a lot to win in the long term. So it's not too late, obviously. Get yourself some knowledge on crypto, study the markets. Like I said, I'm already in profits, obviously. And like I said, my profit target, my target margin is $48,000. If we cross that price, $48,000, maybe we even go to $49,000. I'm placing in my trades long term. I'm gonna hold these seriously. I'm gonna add more money and I'm gonna hold these long term. Probably close them in December or something, hoping that Bitcoin will continue going up. Hoping for the milk and roses. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do with this chart in particular, or rather with these pairs in particular. So Ethereum has also been great. It's been killing it. It's at 2,400 currently, and it's been going great. But I'm holding Ethereum obviously I'm not trading it actively, but I'm holding it. Of course, you need to have portfolios that you're able to hold. Don't keep your crypto on a software wallet. Get yourself a hardware wallet. They are way better. You cannot trust software wallets too much. So with that being said, make sure you guys get yourself some hardware wallets. Have a portfolio, maybe a portfolio in Bitcoin, portfolio in some Stellar, portfolio in Ethereum, and then on the side you can actively be trading it with some extra cash that you have. And like that, you're going to watch your money grow in all the different variations in the crypto portfolios that you have set up, which is a very smart way, because let's say one falls, at least you can still have something looking at. You buy yourself a farm, invest in real estate. If you guys have been following my channel, you guys understand I do real estate as well. So that's something worth invest and create the cash flow. Create that cash flow so money can come back right to you. That's what many people have done, and it's not rocket science these days. It's simple. It's easy. It's so easy. It's like a walk in the park. Creating cash flow. Just be disciplined. I feel everybody can make money. But how many are able to multiply or rather keep that money? And it all squares up to discipline. How many people are actually disciplined that they've got to that point? Because there are people that can receive $1 million today, and by December they're going to have zero. And there are people that can receive $1 million today, and by December they're going to have 10 million. So it's all about discipline. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, that has been the market watch for the day. Remember, we entered at 41,000 in these entries, and then our target margin is 48,000. Once we cross and we just hit 49,000, place your entries, get in. Again, I'm going in long so you guys can do what I'm doing. I'm sure a lot of people have been following. You guys have made some profits and so on and so forth. We're almost at 6,000 subscribers, so please hit that subscribe button, share the videos if you find any value, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Hopefully it's going to be a vlog, because on my channel you're going to find variations of different kinds of things. But most importantly, it's financial literacy. Financial literacy is something that I hold dear to my heart, because not a lot of people have studied anything about money, honestly. They don't really teach us this in school up to now, and it's just funny that they haven't realized the need to. But with that being said, that has been the video for today. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.